Hey everyone, it's Marissa and I'm back with another video. Today I just wanted to come on here and show you a little project that I did. So I am determined to start using my dies, and I've accumulated a lot of them from AliExpress, and I wanted to just as soon as I get them, well, not as soon as I get them, but when I get them, to try to make projects with them so that they just don't pile up and then I never use them and then I forget. So I got this die from Kscraft, and again, you guys heard me mention that these kind of dies deter me from buying them or doing them because there's just so many different pieces. And with me, I get frustrated quickly, and I told myself, you know what, you gotta challenge yourself, make something with these dies because they're so super cute. I cannot lie, these, when they're put together, they look so cute. And thank you to Hannah, who's the owner of Kscraft, because she does videos, she does tutorials on which piece goes to which, because a lot of these pieces you have to cut multiple times. You don't know which one goes, so it saves a lot of time just by watching her videos to see how many you need to cut and where they go. So I was happy to find out that she does the tutorials on most of her dies, especially these kind of dies. So diving in there, I use this die again, and I will put her link down below to her video of these dies, as well as the tutorial. If you guys haven't used this yet and you do have it in your stash, or you're thinking about getting it. So I use this die, and crazy, I found this darn paper pad in my paper stash. I have no idea where I got this from. I don't know where, when, why, or whatnot, but I had it. And obviously I had used it because there was some pieces cut. So this is a Hello Kitty page kit, and it comes with 12 papers, 4 sticker sheets, and a chipboard punch out sheet. And so here's the stickers, and basically this is what it came with. And these are the papers here. I used this one right here, and then this one looks familiar, but I know I have individual pieces that I purchased long time ago, but I don't remember where. But in this paper pad, I used this paper right over here. So I'm kind of bummed. I wanted to use it, that's why we buy it, but then at the same time, it's like, gosh, I don't want to use it because I don't know when I'll find something like this again. So I talked myself into it and I used it. So I used this paper pad, and look at how stinking cute, you guys. This is that Milk Carton that Hannah produced, and it came out so cute. The only thing is it's kind of wonky, you know, it's not going to be perfect because it's paper, but like right here. So what I did, even though I put the paper in the drawers as well, because I told myself, you know, girl, if you're going to cut up into this paper, you better use every inch of it. So that's what I did, and I made some other projects with it as well, but I will show you guys that later. But so yeah, I lined it with the paper in the drawers. Sorry if you hear my washing machine. I added this bow to match the paper, and then this little card, this is a chipboard piece sticker from this collection, and I just popped it on in the middle of here just to give a little something because there is yellow in this paper. Look at how cute. So this part here is what gets me right there. So it pops up. So that's what it looks like around. And then I did use Velcro right here, and you carefully open it, and then I lined the bottom of it inside as well. So not only can you put like small treats in here, in the drawers, you could also put it on the top. So this little thing right here where it folds, just so that it doesn't stick out too much, I kind of just like push it in and then make sure that the Velcro is super tight so it doesn't pop out as much, but it still does, but that's okay because you're gonna put treats in here and it looks cute, and crafting isn't meant to be super perfect because everything's handmade. So yeah, this is my cute little project that I did using this Kscraft die set, and I will put all the links down below as to where to purchase this as well as the tutorial. So yeah, that is my milk carton project that I wanted to share with you guys. I hope everybody has a great week, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye for now. Thanks for watching.